All right, guys, what is going on? I don't know about you, but I'm pretty much ready to start making some serious money here with this business. We spent a lot of time building pixel pieces, just building and redesigning Pixel as our main site and thinking about what we're going to be doing with our live stream, all that fun stuff, which is really great. We need to work on that stuff, but we got to start bringing in some real serious money here. So I'm really pumped for that. So when I decided, hey, Kevin, how's it going, man? Welcome, welcome. Uh, see if I can get this up here. Comments. Okay, what are you doing? It's not, the button's not working. What is going on? Oh, it's showing up there. There's something wrong with my stream deck. Anyways, yeah, time to make that cheddar. Absolutely, 100%. So I don't know if you, okay, now is it even going to come off? There we go. So there was a potential client that came through the door, which was really great. Had, I think, 3 calls with them, which was really, really good. And 2 weeks ago and a little bit now, they were like, yeah, we'll get back to you like very shortly. And it was a little bit complicated in the sense that, they were just already doing things with this project, and this project wasn't going kind of as planned. So I was kind of coming in to see if I could help them save it or whatever. But anyways, made the proposal, all that, and they said, get back to me very shortly. It was like literally like very shortly, and that was 2 weeks ago. So I send them after 2 weeks, I send them just a quick follow up, just say, hey, just touching base, see if there's anything new. I think just keeping lines of communication open. Just let me know if there's anything I could do. I'm here for you. And that was it. So that was a couple days ago. So I still haven't heard anything yet. So it would have been a larger project. I think that was, again, the project that was 25 to 32K US. So haven't heard back from that one yet. So, but of course, we can't just keep waiting for people to come in our door. So we're going to have to go out and see what else comes. I guess the thing is, too, is if I was to take on this project, I would be super busy and I'd only want to take on that one project. But I think I could have a little bit of bandwidth to bring in some other projects. So all of that being said, right, so we're going to be doing a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of organic marketing. But the thing is that it's going to take time. I have no idea how long that's going to take. Is it going to take a month? Is it going to take 6 months? Is it going to take 12 months? Is it never going to work at all? Like, who knows, right? So I figured let's try to see if we can give Google AdSense a really good try. And really, I mean, it obviously it works, but it's just, can it work for us? So I think there's 2 things that we need to figure out how to do. Number 1 is we need to figure out how to run really good quality and good converting ads. And then number 2, on the other side, we need to make sure that the website that we have that is linking to the ad just makes sense and wants people to convert, or at least click to, getting started. So with that being said, what is going on with my stream deck? Hang on a second. So everything's working. Like I could see it switching here, but it's not actually lighting up on my stream deck. Oh, that's really, really frustrating. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Okay, if there's any issues, please let me know. But now we should be seeing the shared screen and seeing Pixel here. Okay, so if I could just zoom in here. So we talked about this plenty of times. Kevin, I know you were an advocate for it too, and I think like I am as well too, but we were thinking about targeting specifically this agency for dealing with scientific research and academics and all that kind of stuff. And what we decided to do is, like, I was starting to do it, but I was like, I don't really want to do that right now. And I don't think that's the way I want to go in the direction for my business and for just me in the future. So we kind of made this version where it's just $3,000 for a simple basic website for somebody. And then if there's larger businesses, then they can go with this $5,000 a month option as well too. So kind of just doing a little bit of a price anchoring as well too. It's like, $5,000 a month, that's crazy. Oh, 3,000, okay, not so bad, whatever. So that's the idea with that. So is this going to convert? I don't know how well this page is going to convert, but let's see what we can do with our ads, and then I guess kind of go from there. Rolando, how's it going? Welcome. Greetings. Questions. How to get web clients before being so focused on pixel pieces? How to get web clients before being so as in, you're probably saying that I'm kind of switching over, focusing on. So, okay, sorry, let me see if I got this question right. So why am I switching a focus now to getting web clients when before I was so focused on pixel pieces? I think that's kind of the question. So I think it's a really good question. And in my mind is, if I can just run some ads and just spend like half an hour a day, what have you, in terms of trying to optimize the ads and seeing what kind of conversions I can get for the web design contracts. And that's kind of the amount of time that I want to spend on that. The rest of my time is going to be spent on creating the content, the stuff that we've been talking about over the past week or so. And that's going to help promote both pixel and pixel pieces for that organic traffic. So basically my two kind of income streams when it comes to web design are kind of built. And now I just want to see, I don't know how it's going to go, I guess, in terms of bringing people into the door and seeing how I can make some money. So I didn't get that question right. So hang on. So no, the question is, what system or method did you use to get web design and development clients before? Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. So before, 100% word of mouth. 100% word of mouth. So it was all that. And has sustained me for the past basically 2 years. So, and that being said, I haven't, other than I probably had maybe 2 or 3 people come through the door this year through that. So that's why I'm thinking before it dries up completely that I need to reach out beyond my current circle of, influence, I guess you can say, to try to get more clients through the door, or potential clients anyways through the door. So that's why, I want to try ads, and I think it's not a bad idea. I think to try to, even as a good skill for me personally, running, an agency, getting good at knowing how to run Google ads is not a bad skill to have, I don't think. Not that I think I would ever use that as a service, but hey, who knows? Who knows? If somebody asks for it, says, hey, I want to run ads, it's like, yeah, I could run ads for you. And learn how to run some good ads. Okay, so a couple of things. So Neil Patel, I've listened to lots of his stuff for, at least a decade now. And he has some really good insights on advertising because he's he's really good at knowing Google ads and advertising. So if you've never heard of this guy, check him out if you're interested in ads. But anyways, he has this tool here, which I guess is free, which can give you an insights into how your Google ads are performing on your website. So we're going to try doing this. I don't think we'll be able to do this today because I think it's going to take some time. Once you get an ad, it takes like an hour or two or a day or two to get your ad to actually be published and flowing. But anyways, this does an analysis. So it'd be really cool to kind of use this tool and maybe use other tools to see how well our ads are performing. I need to figure out how to I don't like this. Anyways. Okay. So that being said, I think we're definitely going to use ads to run to our agency. And this is the thing. If we were super specific in, say, dealing with scientists and academics and all that kind of stuff and researchers, the text would match it pretty easily. I think it'd be easier to create an ad specifically for those people. But now we're just kind of more like a generic agency. So we're going to have to really think about how we can cultivate this ad that makes sense. And we need to think about what people are actually going to be searching and what they're going to be looking for. So I think we did do some campaigns where it was like Halifax web design or somebody looking for a web design contract within the area. So I wonder what type of problem we should try to solve with this ad, Like, should it be people typing in, I need a professional done website, or what could they be looking for? What could they be typing in? So who's our ideal client? Well, we want somebody that knows that they need a website, or they know they need a redesign of their existing website, and they know their website is not giving them the results that they need, whether that's through, they're not getting enough conversions, or maybe they're not getting enough traffic. I don't say not getting enough traffic because we're not getting people traffic. But um, yeah, definitely like people that are obviously are not happy with their website. They feel that it's not converting to the point where they think that it can be converting. And that could be just like, even look, what we're trying to figure out here is, how do we make sure that we're going to get enough conversions on this website? You know, how many people are at the end of the day either clicking get started, which is a 100% conversion because that's you get paid right away, or they're really booking a call, which is really kind of our main conversion, which we might even want to have get started or book a free call here. I have like a double option here, or maybe have it down here below. Might do that. So, okay, let's try, I don't know, let's just get started with Google Ads here and see what we can come up with. And, all right, so we've done campaigns before, but we want to do a brand new campaign. So let's just start straight out, like just something completely fresh. Okay, we want to drive sales. I guess we just want website traffic. I can't remove your only goal. Okay. What is this? Okay, add a goal maybe? Contact, get direction, phone call, and leads, and subscribe. What does that mean, contact? No, we don't want that. Yeah, remove that. Add a goal. If any of you guys are familiar with this stuff, with Google Ads, do please chime in. We can edit this. Yeah, I guess we can have a conversion of somebody actually going in and converting after they click the get started here, which brings them immediately to Stripe. All right, so that could be our conversion. Okay. Whoop, this page here. I think it said we can edit this on our conversion page. Okay, so let's continue. Select a campaign. We're just going to do search. Very, very simple. And once we hopefully get better, again too, like if it ends up being that it costs $1,000, well, I mean, $1,000 might be a little bit too much, but if it costs, $200 to get one lead, or maybe like 10% of the cost, so maybe $300 most, I feel like would be too much. But if we can do that, have $200 or whatever to give us a client, that would be a great spend, I think. And that'll still give us enough money likely to be able to scale this thing just by just putting more money into the Google Ads, right? If their conversions are good, and we could just make sure our funnel and everything, our onboarding, everything is to point. But we already have lots of processes on board, or we already have processes that are set up to onboard our current customers, and new customers as well too. So we're not starting new there, which is really nice. Okay, our business website. So pixel.ca. Maybe HTTPS, I think. Select the ways you'd like to reach your goal. That's strange. Just putting that URL there. Okay. Continue. Campaign name. All right. Pixel media. Let's say website traffic. Oh, geez. I think we could probably edit all this stuff. We're going to focus on clicks. Set a maximum cost per bid limit. Yeah, so I don't know what this should be. Let's go 250. You know what just happened with Google Ads? This is a total aside on how crazy. I was thinking about taxes. So there was a new tax implemented in Canada. I think it's coming online in October. I need to look at my email to see exactly when it is. But it's a 3% digital tax for corporations. And of course, our government is like, oh, we need corporations to pay their fair share. And this is going to be something that they're going to be able to, I don't even know what their idea was on why they want to charge the tax. Obviously, they need more money because they're spending money like there's no tomorrow. So anyways, they added this 3% tax to like Google and Facebook and all these companies. And then I get an email from Google saying, hey, because of the new tax that your government is imposing on us for advertising, we're going to put on 3% additional surcharge for every like $100 that you spend on Google Ads so we can pay that money to the government. So it's just another way for our government to tax citizens. Like, even though they say, oh, it's for the corporations and this and that, blah, blah, blah. It just, at the end of the day, it comes back to the customer and to the consumer. And then now I have to pay more for using Google Ads because the government is taxing more. So just another tax. Sorry, I'm just thinking of this now and I'm like, costs more money. Okay. Customer acquisition. By default, your campaign bids equal... your campaign bids equally for new and existing customers. However, you can configure your customer acquisition settings to optimize for acquiring new customers. Well, obviously we do want to optimize for a new customer. Bid higher for new customers than for existing customers. Well, I'm not going to have existing customers, so it seems kind of strange. But if I click this, what happens? Yeah, so I don't have an existing customer list. So I think I could just ignore that. Okay, search network. Ads can appear near Google search results. All right, display. Sure. I guess we can do that. Right, so here's the thing of where we should get customers from. So we're going to start off, I think we're going to start off with just Canada. Yeah. I think we'll start off with Canada and we're going to just do English. I'm not going to speak to anybody in French or Spanish. Not at this point in time. Okay, so So audience segments. Select audience segments to add to your account. You can create new blah, blah, blah. Well, we don't necessarily want these guys. Yeah, so we don't necessarily want to advertise to people that are web designers or development, right? So we want to advertise to just other businesses. Leo, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope everything's going well today. How's your book going? Hope you got your word count. Do you have like a word count? What's the word I'm looking for? Like a target to hit for every day in terms of how much you want to write. Anyways, hope it's going well. So let's see our audience. Who are they? Education. Oh man, you can get really into this, eh? Renters, that's company size. Yeah, we could say small. I mean, that's 1 to 250. That's pretty big, but that's pretty cool. Definitely the education sector. So yeah, this is where it could get really niche in terms of how we're marketing things. So again, I guess we're going to be pretty generic in who we're going to be targeting. So I don't think we should narrow it by industry at this stage of the game. So we'll just leave it at that. So Leo, yeah, I want to write 12 a day, but I didn't get to that many yesterday. It's all good. As long, you know what, even just showing up every day, that's pretty good. So yeah, you're doing well. I'm doing well as well. Thank you for asking. Just hanging out, trying to figure out Google Ads, and we're going to spend the next, I think I'm going to give it a really good shot. Spend at least a month or two at $20 a day. Maybe not that much, depending on how $20 a day could still add up quite a bit actually. So we'll see. We'll try like a month of $20 a day, and we'll see how well we perform with this. Okay, so right. So I think that's good for our audience segments, and we want keywords. To use broad match keywords, switch to conversion-based bidding strategy. Well, that's interesting. So I can't select keywords. I definitely need to be able to select keywords. So what the hell? Oh, what is that noise outside? So maybe the blender. So what does it say? I need my... Okay, broad match keywords. Work with smart bidding. Oh, that's just broad match. Okay, so I think I could still use my... Yeah, I could get keywords here. Okay, so I think I'm okay. So what's this? More settings. Okay, all day. I wonder if I should just set it during business hours. Maybe that might not be so bad, eh? So... Monday through Fridays. So then on Saturday and Sundays, I won't be paying, which is fine by me. And let's just say 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., which is 5 p.m. is what, 1700? Atlantic time. Based on account time zone. That's tough. Okay, so the rest of the world is not always on Atlantic. So let's just... Oh, Canada's got... We have too many time zones. Let's go 8. So that'll be like 4 a.m. in BC, but it'll be 7 a.m. in Ontario, which is the most population. Okay, so that's good. I don't mind that. And let's actually go a little bit later to 2100. Okay. So next, help creating your ad beta, Google AI. Okay, well, we'll see. Blah, blah. What makes your product or services unique? So I think they're just pulling this content from our website. Describe the product or service to advertise. Here's let's say I'm not even sure how this is going to be used. So let's try to just write something I guess that kind of makes sense. With over 15 years of web design experience, we build beautiful websites. That help businesses captivate their audience and transform visitors into loyal customers. So propelling your business, so propelling their businesses. Got to make sure my tenses make sense here. We build beautiful websites that help businesses captivate their audience and transform their audiences into loyal customers. I'm not sure what's the right tense here and what should be pluralized and what shouldn't be. That help businesses captivate their audience and transform vision. Say, we specialize in working with small to medium-sized businesses who are looking to create professional and effective websites. What does that mean, effective? I could say our mission is to build. Let's talk more in plain English here. What we want to say, allowing businesses to make more money. That's the bottom line here. We're all trying to make money here. We specialize in working with small to medium-sized businesses who are looking to create professional and effective websites that convert visitors to customers. Yep. There we go. Oh, so this is just going to help us generate keywords. Right, I see. So if I click this generate. Right. Okay. Oh, what is this whole chat thing? Oh, interesting. So I put this in and it says, based on the information you shared, I generated 9 keywords. I generated the following assets for you to review: 15 headlines, 4 descriptions, 4 site links. You can always talk to me to get more ideas. Okay. Interesting. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, these are pretty generic here. I'm not sure I like all these. Because even just WEBFLOW, that's so generic. Somebody typing in WEBFLOW. I like this. Website. Okay, this one's good. Let's delete this one. Something like that. Web design company, Halifax, Nova Scotia. Website designers for small business. Yeah. I think something like website design for startup. I think my monitors, am I still live? Uh-oh. My whole computer just like kind of reset. Am I still live here, guys? I might not be. If anyone leaves, can someone leave a comment just to see if I'm still live? Or let me know if they could still see me. What is going on here? What happened? Oh, you are live. Okay, I am live. Okay, thank you. It doesn't seem that way. Okay. Sorry, that was just really weird. So like all my screens just went blank. Yeah, my camera's still going. So and I'm still alive. That's good. That's good to know. I haven't gone over to the other side. So Leo, sorry, question here. Do you already have paying clients on Pixel? So yes, I do. So I do have paying clients on Pixel. I have recurring clients that pay me like a monthly fee to help manage and maintain their websites. And then I just have clients that kind of come and go whenever they have a project or something for me to work on that I do. And I generally, it's mostly web design, but I've done live events. I've done like hybrid live stream and remote events as well too for people to be able to like give a talk or a lecture and then have it be displayed online as well too. I've done video production, doing like interviews and stuff like that, and I've done some creative stuff as well too. So people that need like graphic design assets and things like that. So yeah, I've done a multitude of things, but but again, nothing has come through Pixel it's through this website right now as is, except for the people that I've known that I've been working with for the past couple of years, basically. Okay, so do you know them, or are they all just visitors on your website? Yeah, so all the people that I've done business with so far are people that I've known professionally through through my work, through like my job that I used to have, like at the different universities and stuff like that. So yeah, it's all through word of mouth, 100% word of mouth. So, which is really great, but I need to know more people so we can get more business. Because ideally, it would be nice if I could run some ads. This is kind of my thought process here. I'll just say, all right, let me see if I can zoom in here for a second. Oh, I can't even tell if my whole system is going to go. Hang on a second. Let me see if I can fix. What happened to you? You're all messed up. You can go there. All right. I need to get this whole new monitor system set up. Okay. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, my plan. So ideally, if I could start running some Google ads, I would love to be able to get 2 new clients a month. And those clients would be at the $3,000 a month plan. So if I can do that, or not $3,000 a month, sorry, just $3,000 to get a single static website. So if I can do that, that'll allow me to be able to, sorry, I'm clapping. I think it's going right into the mic. That'll allow me to, number one, save some money pretty quickly, and then look towards hiring another person that I can bring on board to help me out with, number one, just either building the websites, or a combination of building the websites and designing components as well too for pixel pieces, and moving forward with that. So that way I can have someone to take care of the day-to-day WebFlow stuff with clients, and then I could focus on doing the live stream, the marketing, all that kind of stuff for helping bring in more clients and more money, right? So that's kind of the idea behind that. I feel like this is probably the fastest way that I could make a good chunk of money to be able to bring in some additional help, so I can try to market stuff and make more money. So anyways, that's the plan. That's the idea. So let's see if it works. So let's get back into this here. Keywords. Yeah, everything's just really weird. I don't know. I don't know if there's something with this browser or what. Anyways. Okay, there it goes. Everything's going really slow. Not sure what's going on. And I have an Intel chip, but I don't know if you guys have heard of something with Intel's, I think it's past their 13th generation chips, their CPUs, where, I don't know, they're having major problems and they're burning out. But I think I'm a 12th generation i7, so I think I should be okay. Anyways. So Leo, I told you I program on Replit, yeah, and they limited the free versions to 3 RPLS. Not sure what that is, or 3 projects or something like that. Yeah, no, that's cool. I think that you're talking about just the project that you're working on. Yeah. Cool. All right, where are we? All right, web design company, Halifax, Nova Scotia. Website designers for small business. Custom web development. Web designs. No, they have limited service. Yeah, I'll say I'm not familiar with them at all, basically. Web design services. Web design business. No, I don't. Web design websites. That's kind of stupid. Maybe something like web design agency. Maybe something like top web design agency in Canada. I don't know if that's something we were going to type in, but hey, who knows? Excuse me. Web Design Agency Canada. Yeah, I wonder if we should try some exact phrases or exact matches now. Leo, I hate now that I have to get a new code editor. A code editor? I mean, if you want to go cheap, you got Sublime Text, Visual Studio, Notepad++. Those are 3 of them on the top of my head. I use Visual Studio right now, personally. But I use Sublime Text for a long, long time. So something like... trying to think of, if I was a startup, or if you had a startup and you wanted to find somebody to build you a website. I mean, this is the thing too, for me too, is I ask around. I don't just go search and then find someone that ads, but at least, maybe some people do. But that's just not how I do. Obviously people do, because people use search. And they've made, I don't know how many hundreds of billions of dollars every day goes into Google ads, or a year, I should say. But anyways, that being said, if I was somebody that was starting a startup and I wanted to get a professional web designer to design my website, what would I type in into Google? What is the thing? Finally, Google Ads. Do you have 500K? Because then I am sure I'm going to get that ad on YouTube. So like if you have like 500K in terms of the number of like how much money I have, like I definitely don't have that much money. I'm only going to be doing $20 a day with Google Ads. I wonder if, I'm not sure about this, but I don't know if our comments or the comments that I'm seeing is out of sync with the actual, like what I'm, like if your comments are coming in and I'm coming in too late or what have you. I don't know if they're out of sync or not. But Leo's saying, yeah, I want to see that ad on YouTube. Yeah, so I'm not doing any YouTube ads just yet. Just doing static, like word ads or whatever. Text-based ads, I think is what it's called. So let's say professional web designer for startups. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, then it refreshes this thing here on the side. Let me close this because I feel like it's taking up a lot of space. How do I open this? Okay. How do I keep this open? Don't know. Okay, so we got some keywords. No, my comment comes like 30 seconds or 1 minute later. Okay, so I guess it's coming in. So, all right. Yeah, I can see things. It's really weird. My whole setup is all wonkers today, though. Okay. So keywords. All right. Display path is the same. Is fine as is. Oh my goodness. I don't need this many headlines. It's way too many headlines. Get started. No. Grow your business. No. Contact us. Steady growth. Affordable pricing. No. Serving water. What the heck? No. Why are we not getting any updates here? Like this should be showing up. What we should be seeing right here. Huh? Why is that? Okay. Let's type professional Web design agency. Okay, I'm gonna give this a refresh because this seems really weird. Hopefully that's not gonna erase everything. Okay, we're all the way back here. Oh shit, I should have saved. I knew it. I should have saved all that stuff. God, this is annoying. Ah, damn it. Now I need to like, hang on. Maybe I can go back and look at my video and see see what I actually had on there. Oh, it's cool. You have a little live badge around your thumbnail when you're live. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, can I go back? Mm-hmm. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, this is so small. I can't, how am I supposed to see this? And I'm old and I need glasses. Oh my goodness, I can't even see that. Oh, but the quality is still great. Okay, good. As long as things are getting through and you guys can see things, then I'm happy with that. Good. Okay. Web design. Oh my God. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna go here, YouTube. I'm gonna grab onto my channel and I'm gonna watch myself. My channel. Okay, this is weird. Sorry guys, this is totally my bad. I should have saved this. I was just too impatient. Okay. Put that off to the side. Put this one off to the side. Let's get these keywords. Oh, no, I can't see. Okay, no, close that. Okay, there we go. All right, web design company, Halifax, Nova Scotia. Website designers for small business. Website design for small business. Website design for startup. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Web design agency. Web design. Oh wait. Oop. Top web design agency in Canada. Web design agency Canada. Oop. Web design agency, what's that, Halifax. And what? Professional web designer for startups. Or something like get a great website. Thing like great websites for startups. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe that's not too. That's not very good. Okay. So. Okay. So who loves Google Chrome and Firefox? I'm sure there's people out there. I think a lot of people love Google Chrome. I love it too, actually, except for the fact that it just spies on every single thing that you do, and I'm sick of that. I'm sick of people spying on me. So Firefox is nice. I like Firefox too, so I have no problems with Firefox because I love them both. I guess it's just me. No, there's a lot of people out there that like it. So yeah, you're not alone. And I hope this becomes a $1 million company. I'd be so happy. Hey, thank you. And you know what? I would be so happy as well too. And we don't have to hope. You know what we need to do though? We need to work. And we're going to work hard and we're going to work smart and we're going to get there. So I'm pretty confident in that. I can't say I have no doubt, but I'm going to do every possible thing that I can to make sure that it happens. And I don't think, I think it's hard and pretty hard, but I also think it's not hard either to make $1 million. So like, obviously it's hard because not very many people do it, but I think it's also easy that once you kind of figure out how to do it, then I think it just becomes following the playbook and just doing the repetitions, like going to the gym and getting really huge, just doing the repetitions and knowing what to do, knowing what to eat, knowing how to lift, all that kind of stuff. Oh, it's 10 million. Okay, well, you know what? 10 million is just an extension of 1 million. So once we get to 1 million, if once we get to $1 million, I will be like, yeah, we're going to get to 10. So I'm pretty confident about that. I'm more confident about going from 1 to 10 than I am from 0 to 1, if that makes any sense. I don't think that makes any sense, but if I got to 1, I would feel super confident about, okay, well, let's just do that again. And just, iterate on things. Like I feel like I know the process of how to iterate and, build something that people will actually want to pay for. So I had too many zeros. You throw in another zero. What about 100 million? That's where, can you imagine $100 million? I can't even, it's like I can't even think about it. It's so much money. All right. So what do we have here? We had professional web design agency. You know what we can do? I was thinking of like taking a look at other ads and what other people are doing with ads. So let's just say web designer, let's say Canada. So no, not now. So let's see if we can find, okay, no ads here. None of these are ads. It's actually really small to see. Web designer Halifax. Right, so we got some sponsors here. So we got Best Bedford Web Designers, $199 professional web design. That is super cheap. Don't build websites for $200. Please don't. Unless you're brand spanking new. Hire top web designers. Pay only if satisfied. Wow, that's interesting. And then Bedford Website Design Company. And all these guys, I got to look at all these other guys that are actually here in Halifax and see how many of them, see what they're doing and seeing who wants to come on the podcast. That's going to be another way to search for people to come on the show. Or to come on the live stream, I should say, not the podcast. So Leo, I build websites for $0. At least that's better. Because at least you know that you're trading in your time for experience. But yeah, but just like, $200, like you can't make a business on that. Like if you actually want to make a business, like, hey, it takes you 20 hours to make a $200 website. Like that's ridiculous. Even if it took you 1 day and you get $200 a day. I mean, thinking if you're here in Canada or United States or whatever, or somewhere in the West where, cost of living is pretty high, you have to think about what you have to have for your business expenses, your computer, your internet, your housing, and your insurance, all that kind of stuff, and $200 a day, and then you got to pay yourself, and then you have to like the health stuff. Like it's not enough money. It's not enough money. Anyways, so I'm looking at their ads here. Yeah, I mean, hire top website designers. So web design agency Halifax. Okay, so Creative Curve comes up. I know those guys. Hop Creative, yeah. What about let me just try something like New York just to see. Okay, that's really, is that proudly black owned? Okay, trying to get some of that. I don't know, money. Are you good, a web designer? That's what I care about. I don't care what you look like. Top. Okay, there. None of this is ad. Huh. Okay, well that's enough looking at that. Not much help there. Professional web design agency. Get a website that converts. Something like that. Something like get a website that helps you make more money kind of thing, right? Leo, yeah, I want to add that I build them for myself. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, build them for other people, or you're building them for yourself? Yeah, if you're building it for yourself, obviously it's going to cost $0. And there's all kinds of benefits to that in terms of just learning new skills and just having fun, which is exactly how I started out. Okay, get a website that converts. What do we have here? Ooh, right. We could say something about time. Professional website in 5 days. So we build websites for startups. All right. I'm looking at this percentage. I don't know what it's supposed to mean here. This optimization score. I mean, obviously the better score, the higher the score, the better, but yeah. Okay. So we got our headlines. And then our descriptions. So we could say, get a new website, which will get a professional website that that turns visitors to customers. I like that. What are the keywords? Halifax-based agency with over 15 years building successful websites. For startups and let's just say for startups. No, for businesses. For businesses. I don't know why this preview is not showing up. Is it because I'm zoomed in too much? No, that's not it. Okay, that's really bothering me why that's not showing up. I don't know why. Maybe if I close this, maybe. Okay. Our proven experience. Proven experience. And I can't see what this is going to look like. This is so frustrating. Oh, I wonder, I must have. Maybe let's turn this off. Oh no, it's refreshing. Tell me it didn't delete everything. Oh no. No. Is it still in here? Okay, at least that's still in there. Okay, pop quiz, guys. Who was paying attention to what that content was that I just wrote? Dang it. Where's my mouse? Here we go. Okay. Shit. Okay, let's go back here. Okay. Get a professional website that... Oh, right. Okay, let's try that one. Get a professional website that... Oh, wait. That turns visitors to customers. Oh, that's a description. Get a professional website that turns customers... No, that turns visitors into customers. Why doesn't this just save automatically? This is so ridiculous. I mean, yeah, it's weird. Weird to me that it's not saving automatically. Professional website in 5 days. So get a professional website in 5 days. Right. Kevin, yeah. Maybe write it out in a Word doc. I've never had this before. And then copy and paste. Yeah, sorry, I've never had this happen before. It's really, really strange. Yeah. It's probably not a bad idea. All right. Just give me this blank document. Okay. Let's go here. And let's go here. Okay. All right. Something like we build websites for startups. And then, yeah, get a website that converts. I don't know if there's anything else there, but professional web design agency. I think that's all we had for that one. Get a new website. Get a professional website that turns visitors into customers. Right. Website that turns visitors to customers. Oh, come on. All right, professional websites. Professional website in 5 days. Oh, wait, no. I was scrolling up. Right. Halifax-based agency with over 15 years building. What was I going to go off and... Yeah, building successful websites for... I think I went with startups, or did I go with businesses? And then I switched to businesses. Yeah, I'm still doing the same thing. And then a proven experience, and then I refreshed. Okay. All right. So a proven experience. Okay. So we got that going on there. Let's just go back up to here just in case we have another malfunction. And let's put that up with our keywords. Okay. All right. Well, actually, what we want to do is we want to start writing here. Okay. So we do say something here about proven experience, right? I think we do. Our process has been refined and perfected. Yeah, I kind of like that. Our proven experience. What about our proven experience? Let me zoom in here a little bit. Nah, a proven experience will like help you like get the website that you deserve or that the website that you need. It's like Batman. Not the hero. What is it? Not the hero Gotham needs, but the one they deserve. I can't remember. The hero that not the hero they deserve, but the one they need. I think that was at the end of The Dark Knight. Anyways, don't get the website you deserve. Get the one you need. Proven experience will help you. What will it help you do? Will help you. I don't know. I can't know exactly how to say this. Will help you. Will help you get a website that will. Again, I'm using help again too much. Will it help? They'll help your business make more money. I don't know. Something like that. Like I do know that I've built web projects for academic stuff that have helped researchers get millions of dollars. So, but that's a little bit different than like an e-commerce thing. Yeah, it's a different story. All right, let's flesh this out. See how many characters we are. Wait, hang on. Well, maybe let's work on it here. Our proven well, okay, what's our character count? I think if we, let's do it here. 95, okay, so that's a little bit too much. Say something like, we know how to make websites that'll help your business make more money. Proven experience or a proven, not like formula. I don't know what the right word is. A process, right? It's the process. Our proven web design process will help your business make more money. Like through, yeah. Now, I think it's maybe implied through a website. And then like period. I don't know, just like drive the point home, right? It's I can't find my mouse. Where's my mouse? I actually just got a new mouse, so I'm still getting used to it. I think maybe it's zooming too fast across the screen. Okay, and paste. Okay. So our ad strength is poor. I don't like that. This name should not of your verified advertiser's name. Okay, that's weird. Huh. We don't have to have enter 3 to 15. Okay. And descriptions 2 to 4. Okay. So I'm just going to go next here just so that this thing could like save. All right. Set the budget. Our budget. Custom budget. No, thank you. $20 a day is fine. So 130. So we're only running this Monday through Friday, so it shouldn't be $140, which would be about 7 days. So your budget is lower than other advertisers' budgets. You're not spending as much money as we want you to spend. Please spend more. Okay. So let's go next. Okay. To keep your data safe. Yeah. Okay. Confirm it's me. Okay. Well, let's see. Are you trying to increase? So yes, that's me. Press that number. Okay. Ooh, I've earned a dividends. Yay. Sorry. Okay, I still think there was some other things in the keywords that we could have looked at updating. I think there was like the text that falls below and all that stuff. So we'll go back and we'll see what we can do once this thing is like hopefully saves. I have a bad feeling that this saving is not working. Not sure what's going on here. I think we'll just let it do its thing for a bit and see what happens. I don't know how long I should just hang out here like this. I wonder if I open it in another tab, what would happen? Okay, campaigns. Has a draft in progress, or 2 of them in progress, right? Let's just have a look at this one. Yeah, I know something went wrong. So something is definitely going wrong. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to give you money, Google. What's going on? So initial pixel awareness. So this would have been different. Let's resume this. Okay. You're just going to not let me do anything. Have any of you guys ever had any issues with Google Ads doing stuff like this? All right, let's close this. I'm just going to close this all down and Google, just Google Ads. I clicked that, didn't I? So let's sign in. Okay. Resume draft. This is stupid. It's back here again. Like, what the hell's going on? Okay, I don't want to do this like 10 times and just keep doing this all day. What is going on? Let me try this one just to see what I did. Okay, I guess I can't. God, I don't know what to do. I want to just close down this whole browser and try again. But if I close down this browser, then I'm closing down the actual live stream. Let me try. No, I don't want to do that either. I'm thinking if I try this in Chrome, maybe then I might not have issues. Hang on, I got to bring in my password manager here. I don't even know what my password is. Oh, it's so annoying. All right, let's try Chrome here for a second. Sorry guys, just give me a second here. Google Ads. See if I can log in here. Sign in. Okay, I'm trying in another browser here. Wondering to see if this is going to work. Yeah, nope. Okay. Let's go to campaigns. Let's go to drafts. If I go to finish this draft, what's going to happen? Okay, well, it's not crashing, so that's good. Oh, no, there it goes. It crashed. And if I go back to here, if I finish this one, it's still here, but I got to do all this keyword stuff again. Discard draft. I don't know if I want to delete it. I'd love to see it. Oh, that's a display instead of a search. All right, let's try this one more time here real quick, because I think because we have everything saved, we should be okay. All right. I'll try to do this fast, and then if it doesn't, then I don't know. Right. Oh my God, I gotta do this all over again. Okay, that segment stuff is still correct. And if we go with our keywords, oh yeah. Web design agency. Looks a little bit different. Hang on. Let's copy, paste. Oh yeah, web design agency is just not here at the top. Okay. So okay, you close. All right. Mm-hmm. And paste and get rid of that. That's it for headlines. Descriptions. Paste that in there. Copy. Yeah, I don't know about this Halifax-based one because that's only specific for Halifax. So yeah, we'll leave it in. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Pixel. I don't know why it's saying this is the business name. This is definitely not. Site links. Specific pages. Yeah. Okay. We'll improve your response. Get more clicks on your headlines and descriptions. Add images. An image might be nice, but we're going to go next. We're going to set our custom budget and have it at $20. I'm going to go next. Now it wants to confirm that it's me. Well, I would like to continue to take actions. Can I? Now it's going to do this checking for errors thing again. Maybe I needed to be more patient. I don't know. I remember doing this. We did this last year. Wasn't it before Christmas or after Christmas? I can't remember. It was in sometime in the winter. And we never ran into something like this, where this thing would just take forever and just be this perpetually spinning thing. Security alert from Google. Yeah, no, that's me. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. I'm not sure what's going on here. This doesn't seem right to me. Where it's taking this much time. Got the keywords, got the ads. Still spinning. If this doesn't work, I don't know what to do other than like resetting I don't even know if it's on my end or if it's on Google's end. If they're just having issues with their service, which would be weird. I can't imagine Google ads going down for any lengthy period of time, like at all. But yeah, other than like rebooting my computer, it's the only thing I can think of. And I'm trying to maybe delete all these campaigns, all the initial ones that need to be continued. I could delete them and then just restart making a new one from scratch. Maybe not having any issues. There must have been some issue that happened at some point. Yeah, this is not happening here. This is this guy. Yeah, he's hurting here. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay. Well, that's annoying. Super annoying. What's going on? Darkness, how's it going? Welcome. How you doing today? Good to see you here. So you're just in time to see me rage quit trying to get some Google Ads to work. or trying to start my Google ads anyways. I'm not sure what's going on, but we went through this whole process to create the whole ad. And thanks, Kevin, again, for just telling me to put this in a Word document, because at least we have all the stuff that we just created. And yeah, anyways, we tried to do it, and then it's just spinning. It's not actually, like, it's just not saving. We just get this spinning, checking for errors thing as we just hit save and to publish the campaign. So yeah, so it's not working. Yeah, so you're doing good. That's good to hear. And isn't it working? Yeah, no, it's we're not working. Something's going on. And we started using we use the Brave browser, which is fine. Usually Google has no problems working in Brave. I've never had any issues. But then halfway through, I noticed that it was blocking some things through the whatever shield Brave uses to kind of block out some stuff. So we took that off kind of halfway through, and I don't know if that corrupted the campaign that we were starting, but nothing seems to be working in our Google Ads right now, which is frustrating. So what I'm thinking is, I don't know. I'll probably just delete everything, reset, probably redo my computer in case there's a computer issue. I doubt it's on my end, but I'll restart my computer. Because again, the computer froze 20 minutes into this live stream. There was this weird thing where all my monitors kind of just blanked out. I don't think I lost power here, but I am plugged into a power bank too, so that shouldn't even affect anything. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know what's going on. Okay, well, this sucks. It kind of sucks to leave this on a low, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else I can do. Hang on. Just trying to close down a few things here just to see if anything's loaded back up. Doesn't seem to be going. Yeah, restart the PC. Yeah, the only thing, when I restart the PC, I lose the stream. So that's the only thing there. But I think that's what we're going to have to do. Ugh, which sucks. Okay, well, I think we'll touch back again tomorrow. And I'll try the rest of the day to get this campaign working. And then I guess you guys have seen kind of at least the campaign that we started. And I'm going to just use the content. Pretty much it's going to be the same thing that we've done. And then I'll try to launch it. And then tomorrow we'll be able to hopefully see the campaign live, because hopefully it goes on live this afternoon or this evening. And then we can kind of see how it's going and then just adjust from there. And yeah. I don't know. That's pretty much all I think I can do right now, considering things are a little wonky right now. So yeah, Leo, I think you got it. Restart or quit for today. It's not quitting. It's just the logical end of the live stream. But the work will continue, just offline, I guess. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in and joining. And my apologies about not being able to put this thing live today, which kind of sucks because I usually like to finish things. But I think I need to just, reset my PC here. So I'm going to do that, and have yourself a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully your PC is not giving you troubles like mine is, which would be really nice. Yeah, that's it. Oh, this sucks. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I'll be back here tomorrow. As always, have yourself a great rest of your day. And yeah, we'll be back here tomorrow with hopefully a brand new working Google ad. So looking forward to that. All right, guys, see you then.